Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are discussing the next part of the lesson, Who I Am. So, here is the example of Dolma in the page number 72. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India. Will invite cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. Here there is an example of Dolma. She wants to become a Prime Minister of India. Then she shared her experience. People will always take as a joke when she expressed his wish has become Prime Minister of India. But she is very confident. Then one day she became Prime Minister. So she said, one day really I became Prime Minister. I am very confident. Means she said like that. She is very confident. One day she become Prime Minister of India. Why? Then everybody asked her, what will you do to become PM? So everybody, her friends, her teachers, her relatives, everybody asked her, what you do after you become a PM? But always her teacher told her to do something for school. Then because there is some problem is also in school, okay, it is private or it is government, so her teacher always told her to do something for school. So when you become Prime Minister of India, to do good for schools. Okay, so Dolma had a great admire to make things better for everyone. So she had a great admire to make things better for everyone. So she wants to make a good hospitals and schools, good roads, good institutions for people. So Dolma had a great wish after becoming a Prime Minister of India. She wants to made a good schools for children, good hospitals, then good roads for travelers, then good institutions for students. So she had a great wish for do that for all people. She said to readers, so many scientists in India, okay, so many scientists in India, they will cure the disease. So they will cure the disease and to become an astronaut. So she grant a wish for there is so many scientists in India. So she insists them to means tell them to invite the cures, means invite the medicines for so many diseases, and then she would give help, then confident to them to become astronauts like Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so this is the wish of Dolma. Then next, Peter. My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone he is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So next is the example of Peter. So his favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. Why? So in every second Sunday of month, on that day, they all or went to film. So his family all or went to the film. His grandmother, his parents, and then his two brothers went together in a bus to watch the movie. So next, in interval time, his father brings the peanuts for everyone. So he was very enjoying the movie and then eating peanuts also in the darkness of the theater. Next, after the movie, they went to have ice creams. So all are feeling happy mood, because so Peter feels he was very lucky to have such a family. So all are happy mood because every month they went for watch the film, they have enjoy, then they have ice creams, snacks, something like that. So all are in happy mood. So this is the lesson of different people have a different wishes, and then different taste, different dreams in their life. So Peter has also different wish because he feels very happy with his family. Then Dolma had a different wish, Nazir, and then Sabjit. Okay, these all examples for you to have a such type of dreams in our life, such type of aims in our life, such types of wishes in your life. Okay, this is the day of our lesson, children. Thank you.